Hello friends, as I promised you, I am here today to teach you a new buttercream. The taste of this buttercream is very delicious and you will not feel the taste of butter in it at all. So stay with me through the whole video and hope you enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: butter 125 grams, sugar half of a glass, flour 2 tablespoons, milk half of a glass, vanilla half of a teaspoon, eatable color as needed. Well, I pour the flour into the bowl and add the milk to it. I mix the ingredients well until the flour is completely dissolved in the mixture. Using flour in buttercream may seem strange at first glance, but when you taste the buttercream, you will notice the magic taste. Well, I turn on the gas and put the gas flame on low. Now I put the mixture of milk and flour on the gas flame. It's very sensitive. It means it becomes thick and hard in the blink of an eye. For this reason, the heat should be low and stir regularly. And when it thickens, remove it quickly from the gas flame. At this stage, as a precaution, we pass the roux through the filter so that even if there is an unresolved part, it will be removed. When you are certain that you have uniform mixture, you could skip this step. Now you have a uniform sauce. Now put it into the pan again and continue stirring until it thickens. When it looks like this, that means it's enough. Well, now I separate it on a large plate. Allow it to cool with room temperature. Pay attention, do not put it in the refrigerator. Well, I pour the butter into the dish and add sugar to it. Now I start stirring with a mixer. You have to mix the butter and sugar well, that means too much. Stir until that the sugar is completely dissolved and the butter color becomes light and you have a uniform cream. Remember that butter should be soft and at room temperature. Well, this is our uniform cream. Now I add the completely cooled roux to the mixture. I start stirring again. Stir until the cream color becomes white and you have completely uniform mixture. Well, Now I add vanilla. You can also use fruit essence. Roux buttercream has a white color called off-white, which means like a little milky. Exactly the same color you see in the picture. It's perfect for decorating colorful cakes. Well, now I add color. I start stirring and continue to stir until reach a uniform color. I recommend you to definitely try this roux buttercream because it's both very easy and very tasty. This roux buttercream has the same conditions of use and storage as the Swiss buttercream. You can see the tutorial of Swiss buttercream in the link above. You can also see the tutorial on how to decorate a cake with buttercream, which is now in the link above. Hope you make this roux buttercream and enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.